I feel very fortunate to live in Seattle. I feel very fortunate to have this as my home. I grew up here. And having the opportunity, to be in this spot on this hill looking at this city is, not many people get that chance. And I wanted to do it right. Mike and Bob and Heidi and the whole team of craftsmen, they poured their heart and soul into this.
So the shell on this project was built first, and then the design for the interior followed.
There was a structure that the architect had drawn, giving you an idea. Gee, I think I want the kitchen here, we would have this here or there, but really that was malleable.
The computer rendering software that allowed us to basically build this house from scratch on the computer and play with it over and over and refine and reiterate and reiterate and reiterate was key to getting what you see today.
It's a blending of science and art in a way that enables you to realize an object within the constraints of the physical space that it has to occupy.
Being able to see it and walk around it and almost touch it, that allowed me to get comfortable with some of the design direction that we were going to, because you didn't just have to trust it, you could actually see it.
We could render to the point where we saw the reflection off the windows, the woodwork, everything in the house. We knew exactly what it would do. We'd know what it looked like during the day, during the evening.
The computer is actually figuring millions of photons bouncing off of surfaces everywhere to create the lighting effects and the shadow effects that your eye normally will see. And you can do those things quickly and easily in the model, and you can render that, you can show it to the client, they can make well-informed decisions.
Bob spent many a long night here, getting those things right, and it was a huge, huge plus. Anyone who designs a home of this level, to be honest, I don't know how you would do it any other way.
It saves a tremendous amount of time on our end, but it also allows us to describe exactly what we expect this thing to look like in the end. And if we can detail that to this degree, then we can guarantee the outcome.
So a lot of the renderings that they used really allowed us to clearly understand what the customer and what they were looking for. So these renderings, when we were able to review them, along with some of the architectural drawings that supported it, we could easily see their vision.
It's easy to talk about what you want to build, but to actually do it is a whole different level, and those two guys can do it. They can just make it happen.